Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is quite interesting for all the people you don't know. This is going to Robbie Davis, Josh Davis. What I have is a duty belt. And I'm about to show you how to put handcuffs on somebody, but you don't know about real police ones. Robbie, if you're watching this, you're going to love my videos. They're pretty cool. And subscribe, please. So, like I mentioned, putting kids in handcuffs, pretty obvious. No, I'm not just going to get my pepper spray and just, cuff them. I am not that kind of person. I'm the kind of person that would go up and put handcuffs on somebody. So, this is how you put handcuffs on somebody. The chair's right back from me. Nope, just one of them. Thanks. Real handcuffs. Real metal handcuffs. Anything wrong with them? You can even go in the front as well. But I ain't going to do that today because I already know what I'm doing. So you can grab the pinky, you can go upwards, you can go downwards. Now how this works. So I have my Kentucky Missioner backup set with the long leg cuffs. I'm about to get a second pair eventually. So, yeah. This is how you put cuffs on somebody if you're in Kentucky cops mainly use the ones that are sober. Me, I'd use them. I'm supposed to go to football practice, but that ain't gonna happen until the storm's over. So, I love all my videos. And the second pair of cuffs that just came out earlier was the black ones. And these are very good. Thank you, Dave, for getting me these. They work good on my hands.